right, happy Monday, everyone. So this is today's asynchronous assignment. So you should have this completed by the end of today. So this is due by the end of the day. So please make sure that you complete this Nearpod lesson. So let's get started. So objectives. So this week we're going to be analyzing and developing an understanding of phase changes on the molecular scale. And we're going to analyze and identify differences between phase changes and understand how these molecules behave in all three of our phases we've been looking at, those solid, liquid, and gas phases. So if you remember from last week, we were looking at stuff on a macro scale and a molecular scale. So now we're going to be looking more on a molecular scale, which is on a scale that we can't necessarily see with the human eye, but it is happening all around us. So we're going to be using some simulations and models to help us see what's going on the molecular scale. So from last class, I had you guys looking at the three different phases, solid, liquid, and gas. And we briefly made some observations about what these molecules looked like at each of these different phases. So I want you guys to take a moment and write down your 1 to 2 differences between these phases. So how do these molecules look different in each of these phases? So take a moment to write your answer on the next slide.